So this is Yusuf R, Mr. Wilmer's class, Computer Science 110, and I'm back with another video. You know what I'm saying? Now, this time, it's question 3, the extra credit question on take home quiz, which asks me to draw, the gist of it is to draw 3 squares that are each size of 100 and are diagonally on top of each other. This was really simple. First, you have to start by importing the turtle and then making the screen for the turtle. Just gotta make this thing work, or you gotta get the thing to even draw anything. And then the first step is to draw the square. So first step, since the Alex is looking to the right, you tell him to go forward 100, left, forward 100. You just repeat that, and that gives you a square. The next step is for you to pick up the pencil, because you trying to draw another square, but on top of it, the diagonal level. You pick up the pencil, you move forward 100, basically drawing half of a square, and then you put your pencil down, and then you repeat the process to draw another square. You pick up the pencil again to move the pencil on the right corner of the second square, and you draw another square. It's the full code right here. And once you run this code, you should get, there you go. I don't like where it ended up, but so you don't have to settle for that. This was Yusuf R, Mr. Wilmer's class, Computer Science 110. Like my video,